all been there. Just tiring day, few careless words, and we are hurt. Or you just hurt somebody. Words have a power, and once they are out, we can't take them back. In this video, I am sharing my personal story. I am painting about a sadness that just cannot go away by saying I'm sorry. But more importantly, I am sharing my 3 great tips which helped me to move from the sad darkness into the bright, light, stronger relationship. So stick with me to the end, because on the end you will see the most beautiful painting I done yet. It happened to me the other day when my husband was very tired, and he came and made a comment, and that comment hurt so deeply. I did not understand why I was just attacked, and I didn't know how to react or what to say, because that deep moment you really don't know what to do, and your mind is whizzing, telling us, right, okay, did he say that? Did he mean it? How can we continue this relationship if he really means this, or he wants to hurt me that way? My brain was trying to understand what happened and creating some maybe crazy meanings or crazy stories which didn't have nothing to do with reality. But I was just really hurt. And I created this dark picture to show how hurt I was, because we are hurt and lost in the darkness. This feeling is hurting and we just cannot speed it up. We cannot just shake it off and say, yeah, it's fine, or whatever. And it doesn't matter if somebody tells us, oh, come on, you're making this drama about that little comment. No. Give yourself space and time and a ton of compassion. Do not rush it through, because you cannot rush it through. You need time. Your soul needs such a big hug, and just really say, I love you. You need to tell yourself how much you love yourself, because you are in the darkness. You not understand what it happened, but you know it hurts. The dark is real. Nobody can tell you that, oh, come on, can you not understand the joke? Do not worry. Be yourself. You are worth it. This is a real pain. This is you. Which leads me into my second point, the key to forgiveness. Once you breathe through the pain, you are able to start to talk and understand what happened. You are now able to see the real situation and started to get cleansed from the darkness. So I painted a light painting, because once we accept the pain and the pain moves away, we can start to orientate ourselves in the space and perhaps see the horizon, see the sun, understand what did happen, and accept things. So start talking. Now it's the time you can start talking. Perhaps chat to the person. Tell them how are you feeling. Now you are ready to hear the sorry. Now the sorry is the helpful connection between you and the person. And then you need to decide if you're going to accept the apology. Is the relationship worth it? Will you forgive? Is the apology good enough? Is the relationship worth fighting for? I added a white sand and a glass, which represent a conscious choice to stay grounded to the relationship and understand the history and the values while you are in the relationship. The intentional choice to forgive and remember the good, even if the wind and the turbulences swirls us into the different place. But actually, without these extra details, the painting would just miss the extra depth and the extra prettiness, because only then the relationship can be better and have a better future.
Which leads me into my third point, seal the new bond. Conflicts create a stronger bond. I used resin to show the water which we swam from the dark time into the light one, and see above the horizon, see the sun and understand. I deliberately kept a water look. I didn't want to use a seal, pure, consistent look. I wanted to show the authentic water. The resin also sealed both the dark and the light sections together into the one piece to show acceptance and permanent growth in our relationship. To see what did we done, what did we gone through, and see how beautiful it looks now. The resin show the strength of overall picture, making the new light center even more precious. I love how resin also makes the dark part pop out and the painting getting more depth. The gold colors are much more visible and much more vibrant. And actually, conflicts makes us understand the other person and even us much more deeper. Thanks to the resin, which creates the bond between the light and dark, the picture got different dimensions and is even more beautiful. Would you not agree? I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts and what do you think about going through hard times. Don't forget to subscribe so you do not miss the next video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.